I was mixing daydreams with nightmares. Guns and knife fights, they ain't fighting fair. Long barrel, short life, make you cry tears. I don't need a Percocet, not to feel fair. Sleepless nights, I turn my dreams to reality. Couldn't sleep last night, but turn my dreams to reality. I ain't need sleep yesterday, I know tomorrow mad at me. Just like my bitch, tomorrow mad at me.
Yeah, bro, struggling, I ain't had no hope. I was selling soap, mama smoking rocks. How you cope? High as fuck, jumping out the ropes. Jimmy Fly, snooker, sneaking niggas on the east side. Ain't no peace sign, gotta keep mine. Close range, face shot, he look like a beehive. Niggas risk their life for some pussy in a 3-5. Yeah. Bro, you better watch them street signs. Ain't no friends, only 4, nigga, what I teach mine. Hopping down to catch the nigga that killed my brother. Knocking high, cause I used to serve my mother. You don't think the same and I don't value your opinion. I don't need no yes man, don't need no fucking means. I need real niggas who rhyme, pick up the pistol and slide for me. I got played, pick up and drive for me, cause time is money, and I ain't got no time.
I was mixing daydreams with nightmares. Guns and knife fights, they ain't fighting fair.